Okay, so here circle. Circle weightage of the circle chapter is weightage of the circle chapter. Okay, 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 7 plus 7. Okay, so 7 plus 7, 14, 18, 22, 24, 26. Total weightage of this chapter for this academic year. Okay, for this academic year, 26 marks from the circle. Okay, and the next chapter 20 marks. Okay, that is also system of circles based on the circle concept, 20 marks. Total 46 marks we are going to get from the circle concept only. Okay, for this academic year, 2021 academic year. Okay, actual world weightage is 22 marks. Okay, what is circle here? What is circle? Circle is the set of points. Circle is the set of points in the plane or in a plane with a constant distance, with a constant or fixed. Okay, constant distance or from a fixed point, from a fixed point is called a circle, is called a circle. Okay, so here all these, okay, so this is a circle. Okay, this is a circle. All these are the points on the circle. Okay, whatever we have, all these are the points on the circle. Okay, circle is set of points in the plane. This is a plane. On this plane, this circle is a set of points with a constant distance. Okay, so constant distance means here I am taking the constant distance. This is a constant distance. Okay, so that constant distance, what constant distance or fixed distance or constant distance from a fixed point, from a fixed point. Okay, what is the fixed point here? The C is the fixed point. Okay, fixed point is called a circle. Okay, from this fixed point, we are taking the set of points which are at a fixed distance R. Okay, so wherever you take, okay, so the distance is equal from this, okay, point to any point on the circle. Okay, this fixed point is called center of the circle and the fixed distance is called radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. Okay, so this is the definition, okay, of the circle. Okay, and how to find the circle equation? What is circle equation? Okay, so what are the equations? Okay, so once we'll discuss about that also. Now I am taking one circle. This is a circle here. Okay, this is a circle. Now I am taking. Okay, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. Okay, the intersecting point is origin. The intersecting point is origin, that is 0, 0. Intersecting point is origin, that is 0, 0. And okay, already we discussed the from center to any point on the circle, the radius is r. Okay, this distance or this distance or this distance or this distance, all distances are equal. All distances are equal. Okay, let I am taking any point on the circle, any point on the circle as p of x comma y. P of x comma y be any point on the circle. This distance also equal to radius. This distance also equal to radius. Okay, so now here let, okay, center is equals to origin, that is 0, 0, Okay, and radius is equals to radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is equals to r, and okay, so p of x comma y, p of x comma y be any point on the circle, any point on the circle. Okay, so then already we discussed. Okay, the distance OP is equal to r. The distance OP is equals to r. Okay, the distance OP is equal to radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. What is the distance formula here? Okay, distance formula. Okay, so normal distance formula. What is the distance formula? Distance between any 2 points. Okay, under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so this is the formula for finding the distance between any 2 points. Okay, now we are finding the distance between OP. Direct we can find direct x square plus y square. Okay, since 0 comma 0 is a point, direct we can write, or otherwise, okay, I am writing one step extra, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Okay, so this is equals to radius r. Okay, now under root of x minus 0 is x, so x square plus y square is equals to r. Direct also we can take the distance, okay, from the origin to any point, direct formula root of x square plus y square. We can take direct, okay, that formula, or normal distance formula. Okay, if we square on both sides, okay, so then under root of x square plus y square is equals to r. Okay, I am squaring on both sides. Now I am squaring on both sides means, okay, so we write the square in the left side, we write the square in the right side. Okay, here square and root gets cancelled. Square and root gets cancelled. Okay, so that is nothing but x square plus y square is equals to r square. This is the standard form of the circle. Okay, equation of the circle. Okay, so when the center is origin, okay, if the center is origin, okay, this is the formula for finding the circle equation. Okay, so if the center is not origin, then how to find the circle equation? Okay, so what is the equation of the circle? Once we'll discuss that also. Okay, this is the equation of circle. Okay, so circle equation with center is equals to 0 comma 0 and the radius is r. Radius is equals to r. Okay, this is the case here. Okay, if the center is not 0 comma 0, then how to find the equation of the circle? Okay, what is the equation of the circle? Okay, once we'll discuss that also. Okay, so now I am finding the equation of the circle here. Okay, this is a fixed distance. Okay, so that is the radius of the circle. Okay, and here we have the center of the circle. Okay, so now I am taking the center of the circle as h comma k. Center of the circle as h comma k, and radius of the circle is r. And what about the point on the circle? Point on the circle is p of x comma y be the point on the circle. Okay, if we take like this, then what we get? Okay, so what is the equation of the circle? Okay, so here let I am taking center is equals to c is equals to h comma k, and radius. What is the radius of the circle? Radius is equals to r. Radius is equals to r. And okay, so p of x comma y be any point on the circle. Any point on the circle. We can take anywhere. The point. Okay. So now how to find the equation of the circle? So same concept here. Always the distance between center to any point on the circle is equal to radius. Okay, we know that. Okay, we know that. Okay, CP is equals to R. CP is equals to R. Distance CP. Okay, for finding the CP, we use the distance formula again. Okay, what is the distance formula? Distance is equals to, if we take any 2 points A and B, the distance formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is the formula for finding the distance between any 2 points. Okay, now I am applying the distance formula for C and P. C and P, x2 minus x whole square. Okay, that is nothing but x minus h whole square, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Okay, under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to R. Okay, now squaring on both sides. Now I am squaring on both sides. Okay, if we square on both sides, then what we get? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, okay, is equals to R. Okay, this is the, okay, same equation. Now I am squaring on both sides means, okay, we take the square in the left side as well as the right side. This square and root gets cancelled. Square and root gets cancelled. Okay, so then we get x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to R square. Is equals to R square. This is the equation of the circle. Very, very important. Okay, this is only the required equation of the circle formula. Equation of the circle. Okay, when the center is h comma k and radius is R. Okay, this is the equation of circle. Okay, so when we use this formula, when we know the center and radius, we use this formula, this circle equation. We use this, okay, circle equation. Okay, so and okay, do we have any other equations, okay, in the circle? Okay, and what are any conditions are there for okay, so representing the circle means, okay, so if you take the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay, so is the equation. Okay, so if this equation represents the circle, if, okay, the equation represents a circle, okay, we have some conditions. Okay, what are the conditions? Okay, so here the condition is coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square must be equal. Okay, that means the condition here, coefficient of x square is equals to coefficient of y square. Y square and x square coefficients are equal. Okay, that means a and b both are equal. A and b both are equal. These two, x square coefficient and y square coefficients, are equal here. Okay, so now another condition, coefficient of xy equal to 0. Another condition is coefficient of xy is equal to 0. Coefficient of xy equal to 0. Okay, that means 2h is the coefficient of xy, that is equal to 0, means h is equals to 0. Okay, either we take coefficient of xy equal to 0, or otherwise we take h is equals to 0 or 2h is equals to 0. Okay, this is a condition for representing the circle. Okay, this condition is also very important. Okay, and if Okay, if we apply these conditions, what is the general equation? Okay, so general equation we get for circle. Okay, so here general equation of the circle. General equation of the circle. This is very, very important. General equation of circle. General equation of the circle is, okay, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Very, very important formula. Okay, always, okay, always any circle equation, all the circle equations we write in this form. Always. Okay, throughout this chapter, okay, all the equations always we write in this form. Throughout this chapter and even next system of circles chapter also. Okay, the final answer, equation of circle means we write in this form. Okay, x square term, y square term, x term, y term, constant and equal to 0, like that. Okay, so what are the properties? What is center and radius for this circle? Okay, means center of this circle, center is equals to minus g comma minus f is the center of this circle. Okay, and what about the radius? Okay, radius of the circle, okay, r is equals to under root of g square plus f square minus c is the radius of the circle. Is the radius of the circle. Very, very important. Okay, general equation of the circle. Okay, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the general equation of the circle. And what is the center? Minus g comma minus f. What is the radius? R under root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay, so just repeat once again with me. Okay, what is the general equation of the circle, ma? X square plus y square plus 2gx
x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0.
0. What is the center of the circle? Minus g comma minus f. Repeat again. Center of the circle.
Center of the
minus
circle
minus f.
is minus g comma minus f.
Very
Radius is root over g square plus f square minus c.
Okay, once
Minus c.
again. Okay, very good, very good.
Radius is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c.
Okay, very good, very good. Once again, the equation. Tell me the equation. Okay, so x square plus y square
Plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is
equal to 0. And what is the center?
minus g minus f.
Yes. What is the radius?
Under root g square plus f square minus c.
Yes. Okay, so these are very important. Okay, so concepts are very, very important. Okay, so now, is there any other equations for circle? Means we have other equations also. Okay, x is equals to h plus r cos theta. Okay, and y is equals to k plus r sin theta. K plus r sin theta. These are parametric equations of the circle. These are parametric equations of the circle, or otherwise we can write the same circle equations in the parametric form. Okay, as x is equal to minus g plus r cos theta and y is equals to minus f plus r sin theta. Minus f plus r sin theta. Okay, so these are the equations in the parametric form. Parametric form. Okay, so here equation of circles. Equations of circle. Okay, in parametric form. Parametric form. Okay, if you want parametric form of the circle equation, then we use this formula. If the center, okay, so if the general equation is given, if the circle equation is given in the general equation form, then we use this formula. Okay, means we want minus g comma minus f. When we have minus g comma minus f center, then we use this formula. Okay, so otherwise okay, if the center is h comma k, okay, in the previous example, okay, here the center is h comma k, right? Okay, so if the equation is given in this form, okay, h comma k is the center and radius is r, okay, so then in this case we use the, okay, so other formula. What is what formula we use? Okay, this formula, center is h comma k, means we use this formula. Okay, h plus r cos theta. Okay, so and y is equals to k plus r sin theta. Okay, remaining everything is same. Everything is same. Only difference is center. That's it. Only difference is center. That's it. Okay. So and when we know the, okay, when we know the ends of the diameter for circle. Okay. For example, we have a circle here. We have a circle here. Okay. So and we know the ends of the diameter. You know the ends of the diameter. Okay, so the ends of the diameter are a of x1 comma y1 and b point is x2 comma y2. Ends of the diameter. Okay, so equation of circle. Equation of circle. Okay, with ends of diameter AB. Okay, so what is A and what is B? A is equals to x1 comma y1 point and the B point is x2 comma y2. x2 comma y2. Okay, so then formula for this is x minus x1 into x minus x2. Okay, from x subtracting x1, okay, from x subtracting x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. This is also equation of circle. When we know the ends of the diameter, we use this formula. We use this formula when we know the ends of the diameter. Ends of the diameter. Understood? Okay, so and okay, so concentric circle. What is the concentric circle? For example, okay, so I have one circle like this, okay, and one more circle, okay, so like this, okay, two circles. I am taking two circles, okay, so what you observed here for these two circles, center is same. For these two circles, center is same. Center of the circle is same. Okay, so they are called concentric circles. They are called concentric circles. Okay, so what is mean by concentric circle? Center of the circle is same for both the circles. Both the circles. Okay. For example, first circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. General equation only I am taking. If the first circle is like this, then okay, the second circle or any circle concentric with this, there is no change in the x square coefficient, y square coefficient, x coefficient and y coefficient. There is no change. Why? Because minus g minus f is the center. Okay, okay. So if the center is different, then only, okay, so we have change in the x and y coefficient. Always x square y square coefficients are equal to 1. Okay, only the difference is constant. Okay, that means x square plus y square, okay, plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c constant. Okay, so only the difference is constant. Okay, so I am changing the constant. We can take any constant. I am writing the constant as plus k equal to 0. Plus k equal to 0. Okay, so for these two circles, what is the center here? The center of the circle is same, minus g comma minus f. Minus g comma minus f. Common center for both the circles. Common center for both the circles. Okay, we use this formula, okay, for finding the concentric circles. Concentric circle equation. Concentric circle equation. Okay, understood?